Welcome! If you want to boost engagement on your Facebook page, allowing your followers to reply to your stories is a fantastic way to start. With Facebook's latest update, enabling this feature on your PC is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through every step so your audience can interact with your stories and help your page thrive. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account that manages your page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Select Settings. Now you're in the main settings area where you can control how your page works and interacts with followers. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Stories. Click on it to enter your story settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options that control how your stories appear and who can interact with them. Find the option that says Allow followers to reply to your stories. There should be a toggle switch or checkbox next to it. Go ahead and enable this setting. Once it's turned on, your followers will be able to send replies directly to your page stories, opening up a new channel for conversation and feedback. That's all it takes. By enabling replies, you're making your page more interactive and inviting for your community. This small change can lead to more authentic engagement, help you build stronger relationships with your audience, and give your stories a better chance of being seen by more people, thanks to Facebook's focus on meaningful interactions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to interact with your followers once they start replying. Responding to their messages keeps the conversation going and shows your audience that you value their input. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your community through Facebook Stories.